Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add cards in your video. So you can see this thing in many times in someone's video, and now I'm going to show you how you can add this in your video. So for this, I need to go my YouTube, and you can see I already uploaded a video. I'm here in details section. Now we need to go in video element. For video element, you see the add cards. From here we need to add cards in our video. So there are many options is available. Video, playlist, channel. So first I'm going to add video. So you see I add one card in my video. This is our optional if you want to tell something. So if I write this, you see my original title is gone. So I'm going to delete this. If you want, you can write this. So I'm going to delete this. Now this time it show me my original name. So after this, we need to drag this in our timeline. Where do you want to drag this? So I'm going to drag this in here. So if I go in here, now you can see my item in here. So I'm going to click on save. If you want to more item, then you go to edit and you can see this plus icon you need to add. You can also add playlist or channel. So I already add one video. Now I'm going to add playlist. And I'm going to add channel. From here you need to search channel name. So I'm going to add my own channel. From here we need to write custom message in our channel. So I'm going to write subscribe. So that's how we can add cards in our video. So after all of this, we need to click on save. So if I click on save, my card is ready. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you learned something new, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.